equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the Lenovo IdeaPad 81MV motherboard. Today, we'll cover everything from the tools you need to the step-by-step process of disassembly and repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening the laptop and handling the components without causing damage. Begin by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts during the repair process. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery in place. Once the battery is removed, it's time to open the laptop casing. Carefully use your flathead screwdriver or spudger to pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. As you remove the cover, keep track of the screws, as they will be needed for reassembly. With the back cover off, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or dust accumulation. If you notice dust, use compressed air to clean the internal parts. This not only improves performance but also prevents overheating. Now, let's focus on the motherboard. If you suspect issues with the motherboard, you'll need to disconnect various cables and components. Start by carefully unplugging the RAM modules. Remember to handle them by the edges to avoid static damage. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Next, remove the screws securing the motherboard. Keep these screws organized, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motherboard from its compartment. Be cautious of any attached cables or connectors. If you need to replace any components on the motherboard, such as the CPU or GPU, ensure you have the correct replacements. Before installing new parts, it's wise to check for compatibility with your model. If you're unsure, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify the exact issues. After replacing or repairing the necessary components, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the motherboard back into its compartment, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect all cables and components, ensuring everything is firmly in place. Once reassembly is complete, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on the laptop to test your repair. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Lenovo IdeaPad 81MV. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.